Do you want to earn $20 every time in PayPal money for clicking buttons? Yeah, this is the click buttons and earn money opportunity that I'm about to show in this video. All you have to do, you just follow this video. You do not need any technical skills. You do not need to invest any money. You do not need to know anything. You just watch these videos step by step, follow the instructions, and you are good to go, and you are good to make $20 every time clicking some simple buttons, and you can do over and over again, and you can make hundreds and thousands of dollars without any problem. But before I show you that, hi, this is Josh from Money Horn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's jump back into actions by which you can earn $20 or more or less. You just every time you just click some buttons. The site that I'm about to show you is called hatchful.shopify.com, which is really a free tools. You can see that free logo maker tools. Yes, this is logo making process, logo making method, but you do not need any graphical skills. You do not need any technical skills. You do not need any money to invest. All it takes is just simply go there. You will be amazed how easy to work in these websites. And I like, there are lots of logo making tools out there, but I like this website. If you just go over there and you can see, you can scroll down there and you can see that they have unique designs. This is what I like. They have lots of professional looking unique designs that you cannot see in any other websites. They have hundreds and thousands of templates, and they will definitely satisfy your customer without any problem. But wait, you don't have to promote. You just simply follow this video. I have an easy way to simply get targeted traffic without any problem. All it takes is just simply go over to this website and learn how to design simple logos without any problem. So just scroll down and you can see, you can read about this website without any problem. But all it takes is just simply you just click on this get started buttons and it will show something like this. It's right away, it's asking to choose the category for your logos. So if you just simply, you can choose fashion, health, home, garden, food, tech, gifts, sports, any way you like. If I just click on tech, it will select it, and if I just hit next, it will select the tech and it will show some visual styles for your logos. It's asking for, it's like bold, calm, reliable, classic, any way the style, any visual styles you like, you just select. You can select multiple styles and then hit next. If I just select bold, calm and energetic and hit next, it will show the next screen asking for your business name and slogan. So for this video I choose my channel name Money Horn, and I chose my slogan be active and money will follow you. So if I just hit on next, it will ask you where you will use this logo to. So if I just go over to online store, or if I just click on online stores and social media, that is mainly the case that I'm able to show use this logo too. So if I just select this too and hit next, and it will show all the logos that are generated in seconds for you with your title, with your slogan, and this are awesome. You can scroll down, you can see all the hundreds of designs out there. You can choose any design you want. You can sell any design you like. There's opportunity are limitless, and you can see if I just select any logo of it, and if you can see that there is an edit logo button. If I just click on edit logo, it will load the logo in the editor window, and where you can just simply click some buttons. You can change text as well here, and if I just want to change the fonts, you can see that they have already lots of fonts. You just just click on it and it will change the fonts for you without any problem in seconds. And if you just want to change the color, you can just hit the colors and you can choose any color you want. It will change the color as well in seconds. When you are ready, you just click on next and it will show that you can download your logo. Your logo is ready. Just clicking some buttons, you can see that your logo is ready. Just click on download and you can download it. But if I click on download right now, it will ask for me to create an account. That is a very simple process. You need to just input your email and password and hit sign up, and without any problem you can download your logos and you can send it to your customer without any problem. But how you can get targeted customers without any problem, let me show you that. But before I show you that, if you're liking this method, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you always stay with my videos and with my channel every day. So move on to the traffic method. I'm going to use Twitter here. Yes, I'm going to use Twitter. If you just log into your Twitter account, it's simple. You can use your Gmail, you can use your social media accounts, or use your email passwords to register with twitter.com. and you just go over to Twitter and into the search area you can just simply search for I need a logo or relate something like that. If I just search for I need a logo in twitter.com, you can see that lots of people are asking for I need a logo. So if you just click on latest here, if you just click on latest, it will show all the latest asking from various Twitter users. So you can see that this guy posted 19 minutes ago that she or he need a logo. This guy also need a logo 1 hour ago. This guy also need a logo. So you can search is sky's the limit. You can just imagine what people are asking for. You can search for that term and you will see all the comments for that term, and you can find latest post about this, and you can just simply, this is hot targeted traffic. 20 minutes ago this guy definitely is active. If you just responded by replying it and say that I have some beautiful logos for you, if you want I can show some samples, and you can just send them some low resolutions samples to these guys, and if this guy want or like your logo, you can send it and they can hire you and you can earn money with that. And you can say that if you want, I can design a beautiful logo for you. Just give me your titles and I will show the logos. And definitely if you work daily, if you ask for some 10, 20, 50 people's daily, definitely 5 to 10 people is going to respond to your asking and you will get some customers. These are targeted, super targeted customers that are really want logos, and you just within seconds you can make logos here without any problem. Hundreds and thousands of designs you can choose from, and you can satisfy your customers without any problem. And you can ask for anywhere like 10 to $20 per logo. It's a very cheap price. You can design logo for them and they will be happy and you will be happy as well. And the second way, you can just go to people's per hour. This is a freelancer site, as you know it. You just search for logo designs. You can see that lots of logo designs work out there. People are earning money, $10, $30, $20, and they are getting sales without any problem. All it takes, you just register there and upload your gigs as well. And definitely if you just simply upload some samples from these websites to your gigs, and you will, if you just see that, show that you will design professional looking logos. And if you just offer your customers like saying that like you will design your first logo for free, then you will pay the money, then you will definitely get some attractions and you will definitely get some buyers, you will get hired in no time. Believe me, these are the really good trick to earn decent amount of money with logo designs without any problem from Twitter and from people server. You can choose any freelancing site as well without any problem. And definitely Hatchful.shopify is a very good site to for logo making. Just clicking some buttons, you do not need to know any graphical designs, you do not need to know any technical skills. Just clicking some buttons and you're good to go to earn $20 every time you click some buttons without any problem, and you will earn a decent amount of money, hundreds and thousands of dollars every month you can earn. All you have to do, just be active and money will follow you. So this is it, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.